Do you ever find yourself maybe procrastinating for a class, going through TikTok, and see something you really want to make, but aren't sure exactly how to make it? Today I'm going to show you two methods to bleach dye a flannel. At the end of this video, you will learn how to properly use supplies and two methods for bleach dyeing flannels. First, you'll need to go get your supplies. I had to run to the store and grab mine. Come on inside, I'll show you what you'll need. First, you'll need some rubber bands. Next, you'll need some bleach. You'll also need a spray bottle and some water. Next, you'll need some flannels of your choice. I got these for about $9 from Walmart. First, you're going to want to fill your spray bottle halfway with bleach. Now you're going to fill the rest of the bottle with water. Next, you're going to put rubber bands at the bottom of the flannel. I suggest putting 3 because it makes the dipping and spraying process a lot easier. I also found this a lot easier to do with the flannel upside down, and leaving the hanger on also makes it a lot easier when you go to flip the flannel and spray it later. Next, you're going to drape the flannel over a safe surface and start spraying the bottom. I recommend making sure that the flannel is completely saturated with bleach in order to get the desired result. Here I'm really focusing the bleach at the bottom of the flannel to get that dip dyed kind of ombre inspired look. Don't forget to flip the flannel and make sure that both sides are saturated evenly. Let your flannel sit in the sun for about 10 to 15 minutes and develop. Next, make sure that you carefully remove the rubber bands to ensure that you do not get bleach on any other clothes that you don't want bleach on. Now you're going to carefully lay out the flannel and see where you'd like to make some touch-ups. So as you can see here, I'm going to start spraying the desired spots where I want bleach to be concentrated. It looks like the middle of the flannel got some stripes of bleach, but the other parts I want did not. So I'm going to go ahead and keep spraying for the ombre effect that I'd like. I'm also going to let this sit in the sun for 10 more minutes just to make sure the bleach develops. For the second method, you're going to be placing rubber bands at the bottom like we did last time. Now you're going to flip the flannel upside down and dip it into a solution of half bleach and half water. I suggest letting this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes or until you see the desired look you're going for. Once your flannel is ready to be taken out, carefully remove the rubber bands. Once you have taken the last rubber band off, open up the flannel and check for desired touch-ups. As you can see, this method kind of left a hole in the middle where I wanted to spray more bleach, so I went ahead and sprayed it along this straight line right here. Once your flannel has finished developing, bring it into your house and place it in the washing machine on a cold cycle. When they're done, place them in the dryer for about 30 minutes on a cool setting. Lastly, enjoy the flannel. I gave mine to my friend who helped me create the video. And who knows, maybe your dog might even enjoy the flannel to use as a blanket outside.